Hello students, welcome to Akadshala. Today we are going to study about hydrocarbons, that is from chapter 4, Carbon and its compounds, class 10. But before starting today's session, it would be great if you like this video, share this video and subscribe to our channel Akadshala. This gives us a lot of motivation to keep creating these kind of videos for you all. Now, as you are seeing on the board, it's written hydrocarbons in the corner and then the classification is shown. Now, organic compounds are hydrocarbons, and hydrocarbons are divided into saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Before going further, if you see the word hydrocarbons, the word hydrocarbon itself indicates, that is, hydro means hydrogen and carbons. So how are you going to define this now? You will say the organic compounds that consist of only carbon and hydrogen are called hydrocarbons. You have finished your task. If somebody asks what are hydrocarbons, so you're ready with your definition. Now let us proceed further. Now today we are going to study only about saturated hydrocarbons. And what is saturated hydrocarbons? That I'm going to tell you. Now we are going to study about saturated hydrocarbons. Now what are saturated hydrocarbons? Saturated hydrocarbons are those hydrocarbons that contain only single bond. As shown over here, I've written bond. With this in the parenthesis or bracket, a line is shown which is known as bond, that is single bond. In such hydrocarbons, that is saturated hydrocarbons, carbon atoms are connected to other carbon atoms or hydrogen atoms only by single bond. And what is the name given to that hydrocarbon which are having single bonds? That is alkanes. So whenever you will see in hydrocarbon which is having single bond, it will be said to be what? Saturated hydrocarbon. Now, first point you have learnt, whenever the alkane word comes, ANE in the suffix part, what you will think? It is having a single bond, and this alkane having a single bond is also having a general formula which is CnH2n plus 2. You have to memorize this general formula. It's very important. And on the basis of general formula, we are going to study the 6 hydrocarbons of saturated hydrocarbons. We are going to frame out the formula, the molecular formula, and after that the structural formula for what? For alkanes, which comes under saturated hydrocarbons. So, let us. Dear students, this is for your information that registrations are open for chemistry coaching second batch for CBSE and ICSE class 9 and 10. Registration link is in the description box below, or you can scan the QR code from your phone or DM us at this number. And now let us continue. Before starting anything in alkanes, I would like to throw a light on the word, that is root word. What is this? Now, to understand hydrocarbons, you need to understand first root word. Root word indicates the hydrocarbon starting. That is, you have to memorize meth, eth, prop, but, pent, hex. Again I repeat, meth, eth, prop, but, pent, hex. That means when carbon is 1, it is said to be meth. When carbon is 2, it is said to be eth. When carbon is 3, it is said to be prop. When carbon is 4, but, carbon 5, pent, and carbon 6, hex. How are we going to complete the name of the hydrocarbons? That I'm going to start. So this is the basic of hydrocarbon which you need to know, that when carbon is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, what is the root word said to be according to the number of carbon atoms? That is meth, eth, prop, but, pent, hex. Finished. Now, let us come to one by one hydrocarbons, that is saturated hydrocarbon, that is alkanes, ending with the word ANE. Now, let's get started. Now, when N is equal to 1, and what is N? That is when carbon, that is CN, that means when N is equal to 1, we will put the value of N is equal to 1 in the general formula CnH2n plus 2, and now I'm going to put up the values. That is, instead of N in the general formula, I will start putting the value of N is equal to 1 in that, and again we have to do the quick calculation. C1 H2 into 1 plus 2. Children, quickly do the quick calculations, please. Okay, let us calculate. When you calculate C1, you will put as C. Let us multiply 2 into 1, 2, plus 2, 4. So H4. So this is H4. So this has come out to be CH4 with the first hydrocarbon of alkane, that is, the first root word is meth. Now we have to complete the name of the first hydrocarbon. So I know the carbon which is having 1, its root word is meth. So I will put ANE as a suffix in the last, and the name of CH4 will be methane. Finished. Finished. Now I know the name as well as the molecular formula of the first hydrocarbon which is under alkane, that is methane. Finished. This way we are going to do the rest of the hydrocarbons of alkanes. Now let us take another one, that is, now I am going to put up the value of N is equal to 2, that is like this. Let us write. When N is equal to 2, I will put the value of N is equal to 2 in this general formula. C2 H2 into 2 and plus 2, it is there. Let us calculate. C2, I have put C2 over here. Now let us calculate. 2 2s are 4 plus 2, 6. C2H6. So what is the second name of the hydrocarbon? That is, the root word is eth, because it is carbon 2. I have taken N is equal to 2. That is, carbon is 2. I put the values. So it is eth. So the second name of the hydrocarbon will be, first I will write down eth, and then I am talking about alkanes. So I will put ANE in the last as suffix. So this is the second hydrocarbon known as ethane. To the next one, that is the third one. When N is equal to 3, we will put the value of N is equal to 3 in the general formula CnH2n plus 2. It goes like this. C3 H2 into 3 plus 2. Please solve. That is, C3 will remain as C3. Now let us solve this. 2 3s are 6 plus 2, 8. So C3H8 is the molecular formula. We got it for the third hydrocarbon whose root word is prop. So its name will become as, I have written the root word first, prop. And what are we doing? Alkane, single bond. So the last suffix we will take as ane and it will become ane, that is propane. Done. Finished. Now let us do next one, that is when n is equal to 4. Let us take this. Now we will take n is equal to 4. We will put the value of n is equal to 4 in the general formula and we will get, that is C4 like this. C4 H2 into 4 plus 2. So this will become C4 H 2 4s are 8 plus 2, 10. So C4 H10. So what is the root word? That is, this is the fourth one and with the carbon 4. So but, I will write down the root word first, but, and we are doing alkanes, suffix ane, I will put ane. I got the word hydrocarbon naming butane. Finished. Now we are going to do the fifth one. Children, can you do it quickly? Please, you should always have pen and paper always with you whenever I am teaching. Okay, let's write. When n is equal to 5, I will put the value of n is equal to 5 in the general formula. CnH2n plus 2, C5 H2 into 5 plus 2. Let us calculate. C5 will remain as C5. H, that is 2 into 5, 10 plus 2, that is 12. So I got C5H12 as the molecular formula and now I know the naming with the root word pent and I will write down pent first and then the suffix ane. So I got pentane. Finished. Let us do the last one. Quickly do it, children, on your own. Now you must be very expert in doing it. So please do it, children. So let us do the last one. I am doing it 6 till 6, that is hexane. But you can do it till 10 also. Please try it on your own also. Now when n is equal to 6, put the value of n is equal to 6 in CnH2n plus 2 in the general formula. C6, 2 into 6 plus 2. Let us write down the molecular formula. C6 remains as C6. So 2 into 6, 12 plus 2, 14. C6H14 is the molecular formula with the name of the hydrocarbon hexane. Finished. So, today I have finished learning the first 6 hydrocarbons of alkanes with the help of the root word as well as the general formula CnH2n plus 2. So let us finally now say the names of the hydrocarbon of, that is, alkanes. That is, first methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane and hexane. And with this, I finish the topic of today, that is hydrocarbons, saturated hydrocarbons, alkanes. So children, keep on revising as I teach you on the daily basis because revision will take you to success. Always remember, children. So please revise on the daily basis, which is really very important task for you always. So with this, I wind up the session. Thank you, children. Have a nice day. God bless. Dear students, this is for your information that registrations are open for chemistry coaching second batch for CBSE and ICSE class 9 and 10. Registration link is in the description box below, or You can scan the QR code from your phone or DM us at this number